Welcome to the first episode of my Leaky-Ass trailer. I'm going to show you the reality of a new, overpriced, leaky piece of shit. From repairs to remodel, I'm going to tell you how it is. In this first episode, I'm going to show you how to take off a wall in a slide and to insulate it properly, because they don't do it at the factory. I would like to thank my sponsors, Band-Aid, 80 years of covering up bloody spots, and also the National Foundation for ADHD. Wait, Nigel, come here, kitty. So jumping right in, this is a slide wall, one of the smaller ones. And if you're coming up in the future, I want to show you how to make these incredible, tasteful window insulators. Pretty neat. So anyway, it's pretty simple. I'm going to just get closer now. So you have the frame that goes all the way around the window. It has these square, weird screw things that are through the trailer all throughout, because I'm pretty sure Keystone got them from China. Let's see, have you seen them? There's like little squares in them. Square. Anyway, so what you want to do is take off and screw the frame, pop that out, and then gently pop out all the cheap staples all the way down and around. Oh, what the hell? Oh, so this is their idea of insulation. Some kind of weird, it looks like a fossilized monkey, or what? Ew. Or like clown chest hair or something, but that's got to go. Going to replace it with R10 insulating foam. But anyway, just gently pop it out all the way around, and don't be shocked by some of the workmanship you find on the inside, like half staples and water damage and God knows what. So as you take that off, or actually as I take it off, I will return and when it's all the way open and show you some of the highlights of this leaky piece of shit. So just touching base a little, you'll see of just, prying a million, oh my God, unbelievable amount of staples. But as you go along, you see it come on. What the hell is that? What's in there now? This company's so cheap. It's probably just dryer lint. My God, somebody's wig? What the hell's in here? So, yeah, don't be surprised what you find within the walls of your piece of shit Keystone. The light's in the way. Anyway, there's something gross in there. What the hell? What the hell's that? Anyway, whoops. Sorry. Blurry, moving around. Be right back. So I'm on the base now, the floor, and I had sealed this, so it's still leaking right here. Well, here. Why is this not here? Okay, so the whole thing was wet, and also the other side of the slide completely rotted through and bowed like a big salad bowl. So anyway, this is still wet again, so moldy. I'm surprised they haven't died yet from all the black mold and whatever. But anyway, so as you go along, still staples. Thousands and millions of staples. You know what? I'm sure that's exactly why these trailers weigh so much. Staples everywhere. And the weight of those damn fucking mirrors. Huh. Anyway, so, where are we? Oh, look, sunlight, which you should never, ever, ever see on the bottom of your floor. So, be back shortly. So, I'm looking at this, and there's so much weird clown hair in here. I actually think there's a whole clown. So, I'm going to finish this up. Ooh, God, that even looks like a kind of poodle. I'm going to finish this up on the second segment because I want to keep these videos short as I move along. And I see something shiny, so I will be back in the next episode. Or what was that? Next episode to finish this up and find a better way to hold the camera while I'm doing this. That just looks so cool. You really need to get one of these little Frankenstitch, one of these window insulators. Anyway, next segment, we'll wrap it up.